this is an art, not a science. I think there are times when you have very open IPO market. You can tell that the public markets are going to be, at least in the short term, receptive to a company with certain metrics going public, and we've seen that over time. But oftentimes you don't have that complete clarity. And I think it's a conversation that every founder really needs to think about too, because once you're a public company, there's a whole nother set of expectations that are put on the company and the founder and the CEO, if the founder is still the CEO. And that's oftentimes why you see changes in management as companies get to a later stage, because the founder may not be the right person to then take the company public and scale the company post-listing. So I think it's really the investors and the entrepreneurs having a conversation around goals, and this is where even if you're investing at the early stage, I think it's important to have this conversation. I remember a few years ago, it was not Silicon Valley investors were saying, well, we never talk about exit. Well, I mean, actually, that's one of the first things I think about when I'm investing in a company, because at the end of the day, funds are going to have to realize a return on their capital and their investments. And so at some point, we're going to have to sell our shares. And whether that's through a secondary at a later stage, or at a public market listing, or at an M&A event.